Hey everybody, so just figured I'd show you a little video just in the shop today. So I'm building these marimbas for a school in San Antonio. These are the keys for an alto. I've already marked, what I'm doing now is I've marked the points where the node holes will be, where the string that goes through the keys will be strung. So that's what I'm doing now. So I've got a little, show you what I got here. I made this little jig, you know, real simple thing, just a 2x4 and this block of wood, so it holds the key at a solid 90 degrees to the drill press. You can see how it's at a little bit of an angle. The line for the node, I don't know if you can see it there in the camera, the line for the node is drawn, so I've marked, you know, I've taken my little parallel here to just check to make sure that it's exactly that when the drill goes down that it'll make the hole in the right place. Got this little piece of wood here to keep any tear out from happening on the other side, and I marked it, you know, this jig is set so that the hole will be exactly in the center of the key. So that's basically it, pretty simple. I'll go ahead and just make a couple and you can see how it looks. You gotta take it slow so the wood doesn't burn. Always pulling up so that the chip's clear. See how that white piece there, we got that white piece of wood, that means it went all the way through, which is what we're waiting for. So there you go. There's one hole. So then the way, so I don't have to readjust this, what I do is, you know, that did one side, the other side the hole's going at a different angle, right? So you have to go around from the back. So I just look where that line is, put a little mark on the wood, and I know that that's the exact point. I've vacuumed this off between every one anyway, just to make sure we got a good solid registration of the wood. That lined up. So there you go. The reason you want to really kind of take it slow on the hole is if you go too fast, it'll burn the wood. And I guess my feeling is that burning the wood is a bad thing. You know, burning means you're really heating up the wood. And if you're heating up the wood on the inside, you know, that's going to affect things. And I've seen if I push too hard and burn it, it kind of like discolors the wood on this side here. And I guess, you know, I just feel like a key, you want to really treat it nicely, you know. So anyway, that's one key. That's the nodal holes, and you can walk over here. It's kind of dark in the studio, but yeah, this is the frame for this one here. So that'll be one key. We'll be oiling the frame and everything today. All right, see y'all next time.